Hello everyone, I am Teacher Ernie from Gapan City, Nueva Ecija. So this afternoon we're going to talk about the importance of teaching profession and what are those factors that we have to consider before you are going to choose this profession. Okay, teacher is a person. We are the one who give information, the one who share data, the one who share lesson or knowledge to the person around us, and they are what we call learners. Learner is the center of the educative process. Without them, there's no teacher. Teaching profession is actually different from different profession. So it is a noblest profession. We consider this profession as a noblest profession. When you enter college, make sure that you already know that this profession after graduation, it requires what we call this licensure examination for teachers. That's what we call LET. When you pass it, it is a very important thing to accomplish, to achieve after graduation in college because this is the key. This is the access for us to be part of the Department of Education. Even not the part of Department of Education, even in private schools, the first requirement that they want to get from you is what we call this LET or the licensure examination for teachers. Being a teacher, there are many factors that we have to consider first. My first question is that are you a kid lover? Are you a broad minded person? Are you sure that you are committed to this task? And are you dedicated to any work task that will give you how patient you are in case during the field of teaching there's a problem in your classroom, there's a trouble between the two students. So teacher is a judge. Teacher is also a doctor in terms of the cases or condition that our students decline for their health condition. Also, teacher must be a role model. How can you change the situation if you notice that during the discussion your students are not interested to your lesson? So, do you prepare a varieties of teaching or strategies of teaching for them to get the interest? How lively you are and how persevere you are when you are there in front of the students. Your personality already prepared, your hygiene, and when you talk about them, make sure that you are strong. You do not show to your students that you are weak. Okay, so this profession is actually very important. If you are not committed, if you are not ready, make sure, what is my advice to you is that do not choose this profession. But the happiness of being an educator is that wherever you are, wherever you go, when you're traveling in different places, in your province, in your town, in market, in mall, there are people, there are students who call your name because you are their teachers and they want your personality and they always remember the lesson that you share and experiences. Okay, first you have to be patient. You have to always consider a fairness and equality. How are you fair? How fair you are when you give them grades? How open-minded you are? There are some complaints and suggestions for them. So that is the first part of this discussion. We're going to continue this for our second part. That's all for today. Good afternoon and hello to everyone.